Hello, hello. My name is Charles. It was great talking to you on the phone earlier. I'm like Teddy said, I am with Wally Digital. Um, this is a small company I formed, helping businesses grow organically through digital marketing. So I just wanted to shoot you a short video just to show you what I do, um, and to show you how I can help people start ranking high in Google whenever you searched for. For example, if I search for pharmacies in Worcester, Massachusetts, I'll find these pharmacies here. I'll find these results here. So I just want to talk a little bit about this front page first. Whenever someone types in a keyword and searches, this is a typical keyword. Pharmacies, if I was looking for a pharmacy, I would type pharmacies in Worcester. Um, about 90% of adults use Google to look for local businesses. 70% stick to this first page. So it's important to appear up here on the front page of Google because you're going to get a lot more traffic. Usually there are Google ads over here, and I can see not a lot of pharmacies are advertising for Worcester. So that might help you appear here first. However, you will be paying per click. That's why I try and advise people to rank organically, so it saves you money as well. But if you want fast leads, Google Ads, which I do, Google Ads will place you here. Now, the second thing you see here, the first thing you see here, because after the ads, is known as the map pack. And how do businesses appear here? I'm going to use this guy. We know CVS, Walgreens, those are big businesses. But this guy, he doesn't even have a website. So I'm going to use him as an example. Now, how do you appear here? The amount of citations you have is what matters, and the quality of citations. By citations, I mean wherever you listed on the internet in different directories. For example, in I guess GoodRx is a directory, Yelp, Super Pages, White Pages, YellowPages.com, etc. All these directories, the more authoritative and the higher number you have, you're gonna rank here. Now, the different tools out there, popular tools that people use to find how many citations you have, you can actually find out for these guys. And I took this Beacon Pharmacy as an example. And I also looked for your business as well. Now, with your business, you have about 22 citations. Beacon Pharmacy has about 39 citations. So it's not that hard to beat them. What I tell people is not only match them, but get even 50 or 100 more so that you stay at the top of this map pack. I just want to take a look at this person's GMB, like we spoke earlier on about. Now, this is known as the Google My Business page. This is what Google knows about your business. And to rank, once again, not only citations, but it's good to optimize this. So for example, he has only one picture, so it's very easy to beat. And let's see, he's listed everything here. Though I would include a little bit of writing about your business, and then obviously more and more 5-star reviews will help you rank. Let's take a look at Ash Pharmacy. And I just want to look at your business. You Google My Business page. I can tell this. I like that you have photos, but to optimize with Google, you need to have about 20 to 25 good photos. Your business is listed here. However, I can see this phone number is different from what you have in Google. Okay. So yeah, we can definitely do some work to optimize this so that people can find you more. Another thing I wanted to talk about, let's go back to the original search for pharmacies, is not the GMB, but here. This next section under the map pack is the organic listings. Now to rank here, you need, it helps to have a lot of what are known as backlinks. Backlinks are other links from different websites linking to your website. So for example, if there's a forum in about pharmacies and they have a blog and they've linked you, that's a good backlink. Not all backlinks are the same. Google can tell a spammy backlink. Let's say it's a Pizza Hut that's linking to you, different niches. So Google sees that and says, oh, this guy has a lot of spammy backlinks, so you won't appear here. Now, there are different tools out there to be able to tell the backlinks that you have or that your competition has. So one of them that I use is called Ahrefs, and I'm putting this guy in. I'm going to put compare quality pharmacy because I did some research. I can see that this is one of your competitors. So using this tool, you can enter and see how many backlinks he has, and I can tell that these are not very good backlinks. So he has just 2 good backlinks. It's pretty easy to beat this guy as your competitor. Let's go back to the search, and I want to take let's take this first, Good RX. I'm going to copy that link. As I said, this is a big company, but the page that's ranking for that search is just one page. So let's go over to overview, and here, this is the strength of the website. It's Good RX. It's been there for a while, very strong. This is the trustworthiness of the one page, the page that's leading us from that search. So I can tell we can beat this. That page only has one backlink and it's ranking for 11 keywords. So even if it's a very strong website, I mean, because it's a very strong website, they can just have one backlink and they will rank. However, this is possible to beat. It will take a bit of work just to work on your website, on your backlinks, and get higher and higher backlinks, but you will be able to reach the front page and beat them with time. It will take a while. Okay, so what I want to do now is just talk about your page, your website. Now, Google looks at the content. Everything I've selected, Google looks at as content. It's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of good authoritative text on your front page, saturated with those keywords that people use to search for your business. So you can tell this competitor it is pretty easy to beat in terms of content. It doesn't have much. So as you're building your website, make sure you have good content saying what you do, who you are, any locations that you service, all the services, locations, etc. So I also wanted just to show you, I did go ahead and I know you said you're building a website, but I already had a template for a pharmacy. There's actually a clinic I was hoping to get a client from, but I have a template and I just went ahead and said, hey, let's see what this might look like, So yes, I do build websites. I just wanted to show you. This was for a clinic, but we can always change it for a pharmacy using your pictures, etc. About page and contact page, etc. Okay, so back to the presentation. Those are the 3 things I want to talk about: backlinks, content, and citations. Again, I am Charles with Warmly Digital. You have my mobile number, but this is my business number here as well. Yeah, thank you very much, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.